Hi, I'm Kath Fisher. I'm 42 and I live in Penarth.
And I'm Simon Shirley. I'm full of cold. I'm 49 and I also live in Penarth.
Who I first asked who out? Well,
You did.
I took the courage to send him a message, and I think I just came out with, "Are you dating?" And that was it. That's how I asked him out. What makes a great date? What would you say makes a great date? Sid's got his own aeroplane, so that's always a good date when he takes me flying. The weirdest date. So, quite relevant to this now. Well, I promised him a lovely dinner, as we enjoy eating out, trying different restaurants, and we had a lovely dinner restaurant booked in Cardiff. But before we got to go to the restaurant, we had to go and give blood. I've always thought it's something that you should do, and is a very good thing to do. So I forced myself to go and do it, and this time I dragged him along as part of the date. So flying and giving blood are our favourite dates.